What's up, you guys? It's your girl Dana and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my amazing crudité platter. It's basically the ultimate amazing fruit and vegetable platter. It's perfect for entertaining guests, whether you're having game night, whether you're having a barbecue, a cookout, a graduation party, whatever you're doing this spring and summer, you are going to love it. We're also going to be grilling and making homemade dips. That's right, no store-bought. So I want you to stay tuned. Before we get in, I also want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and please give me a thumbs up if you love this video. Let's get right in. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that we're going to do for our crudité is we're going to make a delicious spinach and artichoke homemade dip. I love it. It's going to be perfect to dip our raw and grilled veggies in. Wait till you try it. It's going to be so creamy, so cheesy, so yummy. So before we do anything, I want to make sure that you preheat that oven to 350, and then you'll see how we're just going to do an easy make and then bake, and then it will be let that cool down, and while that's baking we'll do all the other steps. All right, let's get right in. Alright, you guys, isn't that spinach artichoke dip so easy, so quick? So once we have that nice and mixed in, all we're going to do is just pour it into our baking pan. Oh wow, this is going to be so cheesy, so delicious, and your guests are going to love it. No pre-made dips from the store. We're doing all homemade everything today. So yummy, so easy, so tasty. All right, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna bake this in the oven for about maybe 20 minutes or so. Keep an eye out on it. And then while we're baking this, we're gonna work on our fruit dip. All right. All right, guys, so one dip down, another one to go. This one is for our fruit. It's my homemade vanilla bean fruit dip. So yummy. I love anything with fresh vanilla bean. So what you can see is, before we get in, I want to make sure that you guys know that all the measurements are going to be down below where that little arrow is, right underneath the video. It'll also be on my website, which is angela-alexis.com. I'll link that as well. So once we're done making this delicious fruit dip, we're just going to throw it into the refrigerator until we're ready to build that amazing vegetable and fruit platter. All right. Alright, you guys, so now we get to do the crudité part. We get to do our vegetables. So I brought out already our veggies that we're going to have on the vegetable side of the platter. So I have some rainbow carrots. I skinned some, and then I kept some regular. I cut up some celery. We have radishes and snap peas and colorful mini tomatoes. We also have our grilling part where we're going to be grilling some delicious asparagus. It's so easy. And we're also going to be grilling some zucchini. Your guests are going to love it. You're going to love it. And what I do recommend, if you're going to make this, guys, do this the day before. You can have this stuff prepped so that it's easy the day of that you're going to go and grill or you're going to serve. You can have that celery cut up. You can have everything cut up, and just makes it easier on you. All right. Alrighty, so first we're gonna season our asparagus. As you can see here, guys, I already washed these and I trimmed these. I did these a couple hours ago, but I want you to do them the day before so you're not so stressed and it makes it a little bit easier. I'm just being honest. I kind of wish I would have done it and took my own advice. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna take some extra virgin olive oil, just gonna drizzle it all on there. I already just melted some vegan butter, some organic vegan butter. We're just gonna pour that over there. A little salt and pepper, a little dibber dab, and my pepper in right here. And then I'm just gonna add some garlic powder and play around with it. And then all we're gonna do is we're just gonna mix. And once we're done mixing, this is all you have to do. So all you're gonna do after that, I already turned up that grill outside. You're just gonna put this on some foil and while you serve it out. All right, so now we're going to be making our zucchini. This is amazing. I am so excited for this. This is great, not only just for our crudité platter, but if you want to make this for a family side vegetable for any kind of dinner or any kind of lunch. So all we're going to do is just drizzle on that olive oil. We're going to add in some melted vegan butter. Same thing I just did with the asparagus. A little salt. A little pepper. And we're going to take some, this time for the asparagus, we use garlic powder. And here we're just going to add some fresh Italian herbs, and that's really going to make the flavor just pop. And now we're just going to throw these right on the grill with the asparagus. All right, guys, so now we're out on the grill. You see here, my strategy is that we're going to put that asparagus more on the diagonal. That way they don't fall right in between. You can put some foil underneath if you want to, but I say just throw it right on that grill. All right? And keep your eye on it. All right, you guys, so I just put on the zucchini on the grill after I took that asparagus off. So I just put it right on. I'm just going to turn it right now. Ooh, it's going to give it that nice grill mark. It is 93 degrees out, y'all. It is hot, so I'm excited to make some sorbet while I'm waiting for these. That's already on my YouTube channel. If you want to check that out, we're just going to cover and let it cook for a little bit. All right. All right, you guys, we're at our final part. And that's basically, I have this serving platter that we're going to use. You can use whatever you find in the house. Even if it's something like this, if it's your breadboard, whatever you want, whatever you already have. And basically in these little mini bowls, I'm gonna put that spinach and artichoke dip in that. I'm gonna put that vanilla bean for the fruit. Here, I wanted to show you that we already cut the fruit earlier to save some time. That's what I was telling you. You guys can cut this yesterday if you wanna do it and already have it so it's easy to serve on that platter. We have some delicious cherries. Since it's cherry season, I'm happy. We have some organic blueberries, organic blackberries, tangerine, delicious grapes, sliced watermelon, mango, bananas, whatever fruit that you like that you want to put and that you know your guests are going to like. So all we're going to do now is we're going to put all those veggies you saw earlier, the grilled veggies and the fruit on the platter, and we're done. And don't forget those delicious dips. All right. All right, you guys, I can't believe we're already finished. As you can see, I put all of our hard work on here. We have those delicious homemade dips. We have those grilled vegetables, the raw vegetables, the fresh fruit, the fresh organic fruit. And I'm so excited that we get to enjoy it now. So before I go, please make sure that you subscribe. Also hit the notification bell and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. But before we go, I want to do a little taste test. Got a little blackberry. That's good. That is so good. Let me know how you guys love everything. Goodbye. Love you.